I will show you how to remove a Google account from your Google TV without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and navigate to your home tab right here on your Google TV. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for settings from home tab right here. Proceed to settings, go ahead and click on quick settings. And the next thing you want to do is to simply slide to the side where you have your Google account profile. Click on OK, and it's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to go ahead and come down below right here, click on Manage Accounts. Then here you go. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and select a particular account that you want to remove from your Google TV. Click on OK, and it's going to take you right here. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Remove Profile. So all you have to do is to simply click on Remove Profile. Once you click on Remove Profile, click on OK, and you are done. With that, that particular Google account will be completely removed or deleted from your Google TV. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.